This is the magnesium sulfate lab empirical formula of a hydrate, and we're massing the crucible and cover before heating. And do you guys have the solid in there yet or no?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, so you have the solid in there. I gave everybody a little tray of magnesium sulfate, and we're massing that crucible with the solid in it as well. And then we're going to heat it and see what happens. Using our crucible tongs to put the masked crucible and magnesium sulfate. Yeah, we'll take the lid off first and then put that on there. And then you can put the lid on slightly askew. You want the lid to be tipped a little bit. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So just a little opening for the moisture to come out, but hopefully the way this is seated it won't slip and fall off of there and break like we had in the last one. So here we have the crucible and magnesium sulfate and lid set up so that there's an opening there, and we're going to heat this for a good 15 minutes. We have the unfortunate problem of single class periods for labs, so we need to take out one step, and that's the second heating. But we're going to do one good long strong first heating to make sure that all the water is driven out of this crystalline hydrate. And you probably can't hear it on the camera, but it's kind of sizzling and bubbling a little bit. Alrighty, so we're removing the crucible from the heat very carefully, and it's handy to have that tile up next to the crucible so that it doesn't slip off of there and break. And since this has been heating for a good 15 minutes, it's going to be pretty hot and it's going to stay hot for a while. So we're going to let this cool for several minutes until we can hold it in the palm of our hand without feeling sensation of pain. And then we'll move it back over here to the balance and remass. All right, so we're verifying that the crucible is no longer hot. And now we can put it on the balance.
Can we put the lid on?
Gently and carefully.
That's all right, I was verifying from over here.
Yeah.
What was it? Looks good.
And we're going to mass this afterwards. There you go. And then we'll know the difference in the before heating and after heating from the mass of the water.